this video, we're going to show you how to create a Ravyn, our hyper-personalized engagement product that produces insanely high conversion rates. To start, go to Engage and hit the Send Ravyn button, or hit Option R on your keyboard. This will take you to our Ravyn creation wizard. First, type in your contact's name and select your goals. Now select the Ravyn type. We have our standard black Ravyns and our limited edition VIP Ravyns featuring gold packaging, collectible cover art, and additional perks. Now it's time to write your message. You can use the insights you've collected and check the notes to help you come up with ideas for meaningful content. Next, select your activation page template. This is the mobile website that your client sees when they activate their card by tapping on it or scanning the QR code. Now add the message you want to appear on their activation page. This is a perfect time to add a call to action based on your goal for this client. And finally, select your engagement opportunity. We have 3 to choose from. Direct message allows the client to respond to you directly from the activation page. Email provides a button to email you directly from their email client. Custom URL allows you to put in your own web link. This gives you options on how you want to engage with your client. Our users have been able to use Ravyns to do anything like providing content, scheduling meetings, digital gifting, event tickets, and even sending NFTs. After you finish, select their address. If you don't have one available, you can add it here. Also, if you cancel out of the step-by-step wizard, we automatically save the draft in case you need more time. Our last step is to review everything. If you need to make any edits, you can hit the back button or any of the step buttons on the left side. If everything looks good, hit the Place Ravyn Order button. This will take you back to the Engage screen where you will see your order listed as queued. From here, our artists will create, program, and mail out your Ravyn. You'll be notified every step of the way, when it's been mailed, on delivery, and when it's been activated, so you'll know the perfect time to follow up with your clients and speed up your deal flow. We love helping people create success and close deals. If you need any assistance on our platform or help with ideas for engagement solutions, hit Option H on your keyboard to contact us. We're here to help anytime. Be sure to stay up to date with us by checking out our blog and subscribing to it. We have many new and exciting features coming soon to Ravyn, so stay tuned. And we're super excited to have you on board with us.